Welcome to UGC NET Computer Science and GATE Computer Science students. In this video, I will be discussing one of the important problem from the TOC, and I read out the problem statement. Consider the following language. They are given two language. L1 is a power n plus m, b power n, a power m such that n and m greater than or equal to 0. And they given another language also, L2, a power n plus m followed by b power n plus m followed by a power n plus m. Here n and m both are greater than or equal to 0. They given four choices. They are saying only L1 is context free grammar, and another choice both language L1 as well as language 2 not context free language, and another option only L2 is context free grammar, and also they mentioning both L1 and L2 are context free language. Sorry, all are context free language. Okay, so now I want to explain you what this language will be processed in Pushton Automata. Whichever language is not able to process in Pushton Automata, they are not context free language. Okay, so I will be taking L1. For example, for L1 I am taking NS3, MS4, your choice. Okay, now as per this language I have the string. They mentioned a power n plus m. Okay, and 3 plus 4, I want to keep 7 a's. Okay, so followed by b power n, 3 b's followed by a power m, okay, for 4. Okay, 4 a's there. Okay, so now what you want to do here is first I want to whatever A's I recognizing, that should be push inside stack, because in context free grammar to recognize we need model is called Pushton Automata. Pushton Automata having both the stack as well as tapes input here, and I want to first feed all the input symbol inside this tape, and after that I want to keep stack as empty memory. It will be keeping z not always a special symbol, and now whenever number of a is coming, that you want to insert inside this push down stack. Okay, and a shifted here, and this a shifted here, this a shifted here, like that all 7 a shifted here. Now top of the stack is this one. After that your finite control is try to recognize this b. When we are recognizing this b, what you want to do here is after even symbols a, after that immediately whatever other symbol we are recognizing, then immediately you want to shift to top of the stack symbol you want to pop out. So that is the concept. Okay, so here now what happened, b is recognizing, that time this a will be removed. Okay, now top of the stack is here, now again one more b there, now this a will be removed, again one more b there, this a will be removed. Okay, again a is coming. So now what I want to do is it can't push again. Okay, so for this a also it will be remove one a from this push down stack. So now after that it going here, again it is removed. After that it going here, again it will be removed. After that it going here, again it will be removed. Okay, so now again it will be moved to this position. So here we are keeping all the empty symbols. Okay, now we are reaching end of the tape. Okay, after recognizing all valid input symbols. Okay, now z not here, and empty symbol here. So we know that push-down automata will be accepting language either it reach tape symbol as epsilon or it reaching stack symbol as z0. Both we are getting. So taken L1 is context free language. Okay. So now we want to check for L2 also. For example, if you are going for L2, so I'm taking same value n and m. So I mean, as per this language, a power n plus m. Okay, I want to keep 7a followed by b power n plus m. Again, I want to keep 7b followed by again a power 7. Okay, 7a I want to keep. Now what do you want to do? Your finite control. Okay, first recognizing this a, it's shifting here. Okay, and like that all 7a will be shifted here. Okay, now top of the stack is here. Okay, now finite control recognizing this b, that time this a will be removed. Again it going here, that time this a will be removed. Again this going here. Okay, third b, for that third a removed, and again it going here. Okay, so that time fourth a will be removed from stack. Again it going to fifth b, so that time it will be removed. Again this b we are recognizing, that time this a will be removed. Again this a, I mean b here. Okay, that time it will be removed. Okay, after removing all the stack I mean valid inputs, and we are I mean we are finite control at this a. Okay, that time this is empty, this is valid I mean input symbol present there. So in that case what you want to do here is this I mean language is not able to I mean recognize with this push down automata. So I mean L2 is not context free language. Okay, now which is correct here is nothing but only L1 is context free language. Okay, I hope you understand this concept and understand this problem. Okay, thank you for watching.